Today, we're tackling a common household problem: lemon stains on your floor. Whether it's from a fresh lemon or lemon juice, these stains can be tricky to remove. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on how to remove lemon stain from the floor and get your floor looking spotless again. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the stain we're dealing with. Lemon juice can leave behind a stubborn residue, especially on porous surfaces like wood or tile grout. Here's what you'll need: baking soda, white vinegar, mild dish soap, warm water, microfiber cloth or sponge, soft bristle brush, and a towel. Alright, let's dive into the first step. Step 1 is to blot the stain with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. You want to absorb as much of the lemon juice as possible. Avoid rubbing, as this can spread the stain and push it deeper into the surface. For the next step, we'll make a paste using baking soda and water. Mix about 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water. Stir until it forms a thick paste. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that can help lift the stain without damaging your floor. Apply the baking soda paste directly onto the stain. Use a sponge or a cloth to spread it evenly. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. This will give the baking soda time to break down the lemon stain. After the paste has had time to work, gently scrub the area with a soft bristle brush. Be careful not to scrub too hard, especially if you're working on a delicate surface like wood. Next, we'll rinse the area with a vinegar solution. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto the stain and wipe it away with a clean cloth. The vinegar will help neutralize the baking soda and lift any remaining residue. For an extra clean finish, we'll use a mild dish soap. Add a few drops of dish soap to warm water and mix well. Wipe the area with a soapy cloth to remove any remaining vinegar and baking soda. This will also help remove any lingering odors. Finally, dry the area with a clean towel. Make sure to remove all moisture to prevent any damage to your floor. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to remove lemon stains from your floor. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.